Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is SRYZNA and today I'm going to show you how to make your own DIY coffee face scrub using just 3 ingredients to remove the dead skin cells and reduce the appearance of cellulite in your skin. To make a scrub, I'm using just 3 ingredients, and that are coffee, coconut oil and brown sugar. As we know, coffee may help reduce the appearance of cellulite in skin and also help decrease the appearance of sunspots, redness, fine lines and dark circles. The antioxidants and chlorogenic acids in coffee may make it an effective acne treatment. And now our second ingredient is coconut oil. It sinks deep into the skin to condition, moisturize and soften your skin. Coconut oil naturally clears dirt, grime, and dead skin cells. It even contains antibacterial and antifungal properties, killing off harmful bacteria for acne-free skin. And our last and final ingredient is brown sugar. The granulated particles exfoliate your skin, clearing away dry and dead skin cells. This helps create a smoother skin and lends a youthful glow. Brown sugar also has antibacterial properties and glycolic acid that keeps your skin radiant and healthy. Make sure you watch the video till end, because I am also going to show you how to make a coffee face pack to get clear, brighter and spotless skin. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So if you like my video, please give a big thumbs up and yes, to subscribe my channel. Now I am going to use DIY coffee face mask using just 4 ingredients, and that are coffee, gram flour, raw almond milk and honey. So this is how I use coffee for my skin every once a week. Hope you guys enjoyed watching the video, and yes, don't forget to comment down below how your skin feels after using this scrub and mask. I love you guys. See you soon with brand new video. Till then, stay strong and stay safe. Bye.